Hi, I'm Alan from Tate's Consulting. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a new WHS audit using SafetyComply's simple 4-step process, so you can audit faster, smarter, and with full confidence in your compliance. From the dashboard, click Start New Blank Audit. This is where you'll enter a name for your audit. For this example, we'll use General Work Environment ABC Electrical. Once you've entered your audit title, press the Create button. This is where you'll then land on the Audit Details page, which is the first step in the audit process. Here is where you'll fill out key information like auditor name, date, company name, site, department, and audit location. This helps personalize and organize your audit and will be used in your final report. Let's fill out this section now for this example. Click Save and Next to continue to step 2. Now we're on the regulation search screen where you'll add the relevant WHS regulations to your audit. Please note the filters here vary depending on which regulation set you are subscribed to. However, you'll always be able to search by keyword or by topic. For the WHS mine regulations, you'll also see a number of advanced filters, such as filtering by role, by records, by risk management, and by training. Please note, these are provided as a helpful guide, but please use them with care as they are subjective and a guide only. Let's walk through an example. We'll filter by topic. We'll go down to Chapter 3, Division 2, General Working Environment, and click the Search button. Here you'll see the regulations that belong to this division. We can add them individually by pressing the Add button, or we can add them all by clicking on the Add All button. What we'll also do is we'll add more regulations to this audit. So we'll filter by topic again, go to Division 3 First Aid, click Search, and with this division there's only the one regulation, so we'll click the Add button here. Now we have selected all the regulations for our compliance audit. We can also move the order around. And if you've changed your mind, no worries. You can remove any regulation by clicking the minus icon. Once you're happy with the set of regulations here, click Save and Next to continue. Now it's time to complete your compliance audit. For each regulation, you can select whether it is compliant, non-compliant, it's not determined, or not applicable. You can find the description of each of these classifications in the SafetyComply instruction guide. You can also add comments, attach any photos, and include recommendations for those non-compliant classifications. We can also use the Order By drop-down to organize your view. It's set to default ordering, but you can also order by regulation number or regulation title. You can also toggle between showing the regulation descriptions or hiding them. You can also expand the comment boxes for easier editing. At the top of this page, don't forget to write your executive summary. This provides a clear wrap-up of your audit for your stakeholders. Now let's fill out this section using Makeup data to showcase the functionality of this section for the video. Click Save and Next once finished. This is where everything comes together. On the left you'll see your audit summary, including the auditor, site, company, and more. You can upload your company logo. You can toggle the descriptions on and off. And you can also choose which regulations to include in your final report. Your results are automatically displayed in this order: non-compliant, compliant, not determined, and not applicable. You can also click the blue download button to export your order as a PDF, an Excel, a CSV, or HTML. You can also share a report by copying the URL and sending it to someone via email or another method, like using the chat function in Microsoft Teams. Click Finish to complete the audit. You'll get a warning. After this point, the audit becomes read-only. And that's how to create a full WHS audit using SafetyComply. In the next video, I'll show you how to use our Smart Regulation Search feature to save even more time compared to PDFs. Please remember to subscribe or visit safetycomply.au to get started.